Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In this video session, I will show you how you will install Python Jupyter Notebook. Before going to install Jupyter Notebook, Python should be installed on your computer. For this purpose, we should locate this folder, C drive user, and then your username. For your case, it will be different. Then AppData, local, programs, Python and Python 3.9 and scripts, and you will write pip install Jupyter. Okay, I'm going to open drive C. This is drive C, and in this folder users, this is my name, this is my username. In your case, it will be different. Next one is AppData. AppData is not showing here. You will go to view and click on this hidden item. This is hidden item. Once you will click on hidden item, it will display AppData. This is AppData. After this, folder name is local. Then local, after this programs, we'll go to programs folder. This is my program folder. Then Python, this is Python. Here Python 3.9, it depends on your installed version. In my case, I have installed 3.10. Okay, you will click on Python 3.10, and after this you need to go to the scripts folder. This is my scripts folder. Okay, in this folder you will locate this folder and click on the address bar. This is address bar. Okay, here you will type only cmd. You will type cmd. Okay, I'm going to click on this. I will write cmd. It will open in the command prompt. This is command prompt. C user shahz AppData local programs Python 3.10 and scripts. Now you will write this command, scripts pip install Jupyter. Okay, you will copy this, Control C, and you will write here Control V, pip install Jupyter, and enter. This installation has been started now. Once it will be installed, after this you need to open it. It takes little time. Once it will be done, then you can type Jupyter Notebook and then it will be loaded. Now I will run Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook. Okay, I'm going to hit enter button. Okay, I will use Google Chrome. I will click on Google Chrome. Okay, now Jupyter Notebook has been loaded. We will go to new and Python 3. You will click on Python 3. Okay, now it's loaded. You can give the title. Okay, for example, this is my first file. I will write first file. Okay, click on rename. Okay, now I want to test whether it's running or not, and I will write suppose Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook. Okay, after this you can click on this button, run button. Okay, now it's working.